Polystyrene, often referred to as styrofoam, is a harmful and abundant plastic pollutant.
So let's make St. Martin's foam free!
Because it's 95% air, the wind carries it out of trash cans and landfills into our waterways and oceans.
Studies show that styrofoam can take up to 500 years to decompose.
So let's make St. Martin's foam free!
As it breaks down into smaller pieces called microplastics, it becomes plastic soup in our oceans.
Every year, thousands of marine animals mistake styrofoam and other plastics for food and die.
At St. Martin's, we currently use about 10,500 styrofoam trays, plates, bowls, and cups per week. That's about 42,000 pieces each month and 378,000 pieces each school year.
Let's make St. Martin's foam free.
As a school, we have already taken steps to go green. Some examples are water bottle refilling stations in locations around the campus, the farm-to-table days at lunch hosted by the Green Committee, and our 7th graders collect recycling every Wednesday.
So let's take the next step and go foam free.
So let's make St. Martin's foam free! Let's make St. Martin's foam free! Make St. Martin's foam free!
Help St. Martin's go foam free! Bid now!